Don't forget to stay hydrated before, during, and after exercise. Hi, I'm Lori Michael, creator of Lori Michael Fitness, with another tip for you for exercises in the office. Oh, speaking of office, I've had a hectic day. So, this time you're going to use your bands. This is the second of a series of 3 exercises. And right now we're going to work a little bit on our posture. So I'd like you to take out one of your bands. Remember, we talked about using different colored bands, and depending upon which color will represent the strength and resistance. Okay, so I'm going to hold the band up in front of me about, I guess about a foot. And my elbows are slightly bent. And all I'm going to do now is I'm going to pull the band, sitting up nice and tall in my chair, feet on the floor. Breathe. And bring those elbows back and forth. Very simple. But what I like to do is I like to sometimes change the tempo. So perhaps instead of just going 1, 2, 3, etc., let's try go back in 1, release, 1, 2, 3. I'll change that tempo again. Go back in 1 and release, 1, 2, 3. Great. All right, the next exercise, there's 5 in this series, but I just want to show you 2 more. The next exercise is going to be for, it's sort of a bench press, but without using a wall or being on the floor. So you're going to sit at the edge of your chair again, and you can position your bands around your upper back. So girls, where your bra strap would be, and I would think most of the time, the girls are going to be looking at this. So you're going to hold your bands, and you want to make sure that your thumbs are facing forward and your wrists are straight. And all you're going to do is you're going to go out and in. I like to pull in my tummy slightly when I do this. I go out, I'll go in. And just like before, you can change the tempo, mix it up, making it interesting. Keep making your muscles guessing. You go out, 2, 3, go back in, 2, 3. Again, I'll show that to you. Go out, 2, 3, go in, 2, 3. Or you can do the combination I showed you before. The last exercise I want to show you of this series is going to be a tricep extension. I love to work on tricep extensions because, you know, girls, after a while this starts to get a little flabby, and it's an important muscle to use, not so much because of how it looks, although it does look nice when you have a nice bathing suit on, sleeveless shirt. It helps when you get up out of a chair, believe it or not. So whether you're young or you're older, those muscles are what primarily get you up and out of a chair. So I'm going to show you what the tricep extensions are. So we're going to take the band, and sitting tall again in your chair, you're going to anchor the middle of the band by your tummy. So I'm going to start by using my right arm first. So I lighten up on the band, hold it near my tummy, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure, I'm going to show you my wrist. I don't want you to turn your wrist. You see how I'm moving my wrist? I want you to keep your wrist stationary and just straighten your elbow. It's almost like you're punching up towards the ceiling, a little bit away from you, and punch away. Release, punch away. And again, I'll show you one last time a way that you can change the tempo. I can go out, 2, 3, slowly release, 2, 3. Or last time, I'll show you a different version. This would be you go out in 1, go in, 2, 3. Basically, what you want to do with these exercises and the other 2 that you'll read about in the blog and the newsletter is you want to do 3 sets, 10 to 15 repetitions, or to fatigue. Don't have pain. Keep those those wrists straight. Leave us a comment. Love to hear from you. Thank you. Toodles.